Hi guys, this is Mommy Cherry and you are in my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog, I will be teaching you how to make this school bus box. So you can put something here inside, chocolates, candies, or whatever you like to make it more special. You can also put the name of your kid. Okay, so this is the back part and this is the front part. So come join me as I teach you how to make step by step from printing and assembling this box. By the way, I am using a silhouette cameo machine, and what do you call this? Nothing else. I just use my silhouette cameo machine. You can also use your Cricut Maker or Cricut Explorer on to make this one. It's a you can also use, if you don't have any paper, you can print and then cut everything in the digital file, which I posted in my Etsy account. So for those who are interested, or if you are interested in making this one, you can avail the digital file I posted in my Etsy shop, and then create your own box, something like this. So come on, let's start.